mnum doing a high tech. Gotta love this stuff. Even the base cards are fun. Five stars a gamble. I love it. It's a gamble. You're hoping for the big one. Okay, I think I got all the right ones on. Okay. Fred McGriff. David Wright. Mike Piazza. These are the circles are the regular. I think these are the regular ones so far. Mariano Rivera. Sandman. Adam Jones. Is that one numbered? I think this next one's a number. Yeah, this is the numbered one. Shelby Miller, numbered 35 of 50. One of those weird with the hollow going down it. Disco, there you go. Thank you. Sonny Gray autograph. Sonny Gray autograph, and you got something different back here. What is this? 20 of 50. Paul Goldschmidt Technicians. Let me see if the Sonny's numbered. No numbering on the Sonny. The Disco's numbered to 35 of 50. Paul Goldschmidt, 20 of 50. Technicians. Those are freaking stellar looking.